Well, the storm is basically past. It's still windy, but there's the devastation. Not a laughing matter for a lot of people, though. But this is the damage that I got, which is nothing. Bunch of leaves down. My neighbors didn't have any problems either. Just a bunch of leaves down. Didn't lose any major branches or trees or anything. The stream out back never even got close to the house. I don't know if you can see it out there, but it's out there. It's still very humid, but I'm glad that we made it through okay. I don't see any damage on the house. I feel terrible for those who you know, suffered and got killed and stuff in this. It was terrible, especially south and east of here. But yeah, let's take a look out front. So you can see it's not really that bad out here. Not really that bad at all. Just downed leaves, a couple of branches here and there. Car's doing all right. Yeah. We got very, very lucky. We didn't lose power for more than 1 second. It was great. I mean, it flickered. Made the TV go off for a couple of times. I had to reset the TV, but besides that, that was it. See, little branches down. So I'm counting my blessings, that's for sure. House looks great. I don't see any damage. So this is Mike Healy 7 reporting to you from the aftermath of Hurricane Florence, which became a Tropical Storm Florence, which became a Tropical Depression Florence, and now I don't even know if it has a name. But yeah, we're doing all right. Talk to you later, hopefully on the bike.